what are the unhealthy way or unhealthy habits according to your understanding people should not be doing?
Okay. From my perspective, means your question is what are the bad habits?
Yeah, you can say that.
Okay. From my perspective, the first habit is junk food. Nowadays, it is very common. Everyone eat junk food instead of eating. Most of the people, not everyone. Most of the people eat junk food instead of eating healthy food. So that is not good habit to eat junk food. It destroy our health. And the second thing,
Instead of using the word destroy our health, you can say it is detrimental for our health, right?
you
Ah,
use of mobile phone.
we should not
Yes,
we should be very
we should
mindful
avoid
about
using mobile
the
phones a lot.
technology, right?
Um, yes,
So I'm sorry, I really want to understand. We should not use smartphone, you are
not
saying,
that
or
much. We should use smartphone. These are very helpful for us if we use in a good way.
okay,
So we should use, um, but not very much. If we use very much, it can destroy our eyes. Sorry, it can damage our eyes.
okay. It can destroy our whole body.
No, no, no. By mistake, I'm saying
It's okay.
destroy. Yes, so it can destroy our eyes. Sorry, damage our eyes. And the second thing that because of mobile phone, we can't sleep properly, as we discussed before. And the third thing is that we don't eat food at time because of addiction of mobile phone. Means we just keep watching mobile phone. So because of that, we don't eat.
We keep watching smartphone, we can say keep watching reels, keep watching prank videos, keep watching videos, right? Don't